Well, we have a breaking news update as of right now that Lyft plans to slow down in hiring. If you guys have been following all along at all, you know Uber and Lyft drivers are striking across the world. Lyft stock is down over 60% in the last year. Uber shortly behind them, down 40% in the last year. And there was just an article published on the Wall Street Journal potentially indicating that this could be the beginning of the end of Uber and Lyft. We know InDriver is a huge rideshare company, could be coming to the United States very soon, and could be potentially taking over Uber and Lyft. So we got a lot to cover today. Thumbs up the video for short, quick, and concise, no BS content. And also want to tell you about our sponsor, Current. Current is a mobile banking app that is helping Uber and Lyft drivers get paid up to 2 days faster, no fees, no account minimums. Sign up for Current using my link below. You can get cash back on your gas. Again, this is all free to sign up, and there's no overdraft fees when you go negative $200. Sign up for Current below, and let's get started. So Lyft is slowing down hiring and cutting budgets. What does that mean? Are they paying drivers less? Well, they could be ending that gas surcharge very, very soon. Because Joseph Biden's like, well, we're gonna enact the gas tax holiday. What does that mean? What do I have to do? I have to exit. Did you guys see that he got exposed for holding up a cue card that says, Joe Biden, walk in, you now exit, you now. It's like, it's a joke. But listen to this, Lyft will be scaling back on hiring and reducing budgets amid concerns of an economic slowdown, but it's stopping short of firing workers. By the way, this whole inflation crisis and gas prices, I know CNN and Joe Biden say it's all because of Putin and the oil prices. I'm sorry. It's because of this joke. I don't want to get political. I'm sorry. But it's like, come on. Are they really gonna blame inflation and gas prices on Putin? Like, stop blame shifting. It's your own fault. The rideshare startup joins a growing list of tech companies that are finding it more challenging to be profitable. Lyft is struggling, my friends, given the slower than expected recovery and need to accelerate leverage in the business. We made the difficult but important decision to significantly slow hiring in the United States. Lyft President John Zimmer wrote in an internal memo on Tuesday, according to the Journal. So I'm gonna end the video there. This is, again, no BS content. Want to get you this quick info. Thumbs it up. Take care, talk to you soon. Check out Current down below. You could start making some serious cash on there. Thanks for watching. Bye now.